Okay. Yes, so these are the packages. Let me step back a little bit. So this is what it is, okay? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing. I got a couple of things from a partnership that I recently just acquired. Whoo, yay me. I also have some gifting packages. I also bought up myself one thing online, so I thought I'd go in today and show you what I have in these boxes. I'm not gonna be trying them on because I just don't want the video to be like too long. So I'm going to be doing like a get ready with me on a separate video, so look forward to that. But other than that, it's just going to be a very quick unboxing today. Also, if this video lands on your YouTube page by any chance you happen to see it, smash the subscribe button. Let's just get into it. Let's get started. Let me pick up these boxes because they're quite hefty, okay? Bear with me a second, just 1 second. Okay. Yes, so these are the packages. Let me step back a little bit. So this is what it is, okay? I'm going to start with the clothing item first because, you know, that's the most exciting. And then I'm going to just open up the rest afterwards. Whew, let me put this back down. Okay. Oh, child. That was a tough one. Okay, let's get into it. First item I have here is from L'Agence. They're an LA-based brand, so their whole thing is about like, you know, California vibe with like a French attitude. So like that's it, their messaging. Let me show you quickly their Instagram. This is kind of like their vibe, really, very much, you know, California vibe, but they're very much like chic, you know, very much like the girl on the go, city aesthetic. That's what I'm sort of like getting from that. So that's what they're all about right here. I love how vibrant and colorful their pages. Yeah, so that's what it is. Basically, they sent me a couple of options and I got a jeans, a top, like a knit blazer situation, and I got a shoe. So I wanted to have like a complete look for it. Ooh, okay. Let's just rip it open. This is what it is right now. This is how it just looks like. And it's also cuffed at the bottom as well, and it gives me that hint of red right there, which I really like. That's why I kind of chose it in the first place, because I like how it's sort of different from my other jeans that I have in my closet. It is a ultra high rise wide leg jean, and it's just so soft. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. The next thing that I have here is the Sophia knit blazer. It is constructed as a blazer, but it has a knit material. So let me open this up. I got this one here in a size small. Let's see, oh my gosh, this knit material is so nice and thick as well. I can feel the padding on here. Love the padding because, you know, strong shoulders is in. You know, if you've seen my jacket trending video, strong shoulders is in. So the nice little padding for sure would definitely give me that edgy feel. Okay, yes, so this is the crystal buttons, if you can see. Wow, how pretty is that? I can't wait to wear this and style this. So you're definitely going to be seeing a lot more of this for sure. So stay tuned for another video. I also got a crew neck top because, you know, when it comes to fall, winter, you need a good crew neck. So this one here is a black crew neck in a size small. This is gonna go perfectly with this for sure. So that was kind of like the idea when I got this. I wanted to have something just underneath the blazer, just in case, you know, the weather does not permit me to, you know, show my chest a little bit. So I wanted something of a crew neck to add directly with that look. My oh my, it is just, oof, it's so soft. So soft, and it's just nice and stretchy. The stretch with this is amazing. I love it. So far, I am extremely impressed, okay, by these pieces. Like the quality in them, period. This is huge. This, I know it's a shoe that's in here for sure, but like they put in the biggest box for one shoe. This is the shoe that's in here. I'm just gonna show you guys the box very quickly. The branding is on point though, I love it. But yes, so this is it. Now let me show you the fun bit, which is the shoe. Okay, so the shoe that I got is called the Mariette booty. It is a tweed. It is a like a blue, multi-blue tweed material. I did like the multicolor. I don't typically kind of gear towards that kind of style. A lot of my shoes are either black or brown. So I thought, you know what, it was very unique and I wanted that style. So let me show you how it looks like. And voila, this is how it is. Oh my gosh. This is, I don't do like high heels like this, so Lord help me to see how I'm gonna walk in these. It's just so pretty. Look at this. But yes, this is the shoe here. I'm excited to wear it. Like, I cannot wait to style it with the rest of the outfit. Yes, that is it for L'Agence. That is all I have. I have the top, the bottom, the knit blazer, and then the shoes. Thank you, L'Agence, for sending that over. Now let's move on to what I got online. Okay, so this is it. So let me just pull it out. It is a, guess what it is? You wanna know what it is? A bag. You know, I'm a corporate girly, you know, I still have my 9-to-5 job. So I was looking for a bag that I could just put my laptop in. I didn't want to wear a backpack. That is why I got this bag right here. So let me open it up. It's huge though. Yeah, so this is the bag. This one here, I believe, where did I get this one from? Yeah, it is from Mr. Vince. Mr. Vince Camuto. Their stuff is really, really good, by the way. It is like a really good soft leather quality. This is how it is. You can see the detail. I really did like the detail here as well. It is also a shoulder bag. I was just looking for something that I can just kind of like put over my shoulder just like so. Just like that, you know, something to wear to work. It's definitely going to fit my laptop for sure. So this is what kind of like the vibe that I was going for. I really like it, and it is nice and sturdy here as well. It also comes with this bag in here as well, so I can, you know, protect it, secure it. Let me show you the inside. All right, so this is how the inside looks like. The inside is white, which I don't really love, you know, just for makeup. People that wear makeup get it. So, but other than that is how the inside looks like. Let me, you know what, let me try putting my laptop in there. Let me see if it's gonna fit. I have here my work laptop, so I'm going to do a little test. So I'm just gonna go, typically because of the design, I don't think it's gonna go this way, so I'm gonna go like that. Yeah, laptop is in, right there. And then it is also thick enough as well. I might get maybe like a laptop protector, like a laptop bag for the actual laptop. But other than that, it is good to go. I just needed something that I could just, you know, pretty much wear to work. Just like so. Yeah. Boom. Love it. The last thing that I have is a gifting item from OGEE. This is what they sent me here, right here. So it is their brush cleanser. Yep, it is a brush cleanser. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it's like a little glass ASMR. Let's do an ASMR thing. Love the packaging. And let's open it up. Oh, it smells so citrusy. Ooh, that smells so nice. I can smell this all day. But yeah, this is how it kind of looks like right here. Oh no! Okay, let me put this back. Just ignore because it fell off. But yes, so this is it. Let me see if you guys can see that. Yeah, that's kind of like the color. That's how the color sort of looks like. All right, so that is pretty much all of the unboxing. Thank you so much to L'Agence, for OGEE for sending me all these items, and then thank you to myself for purchasing the bag. But yes, that is today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, do not forget to smash the subscribe button. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next one.